In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Square appointments to Squarespace. Integrating Square appointments into your Squarespace website might seem a bit daunting at first, but I assure you by following these steps, you'll have it set up in no time, enhancing your site's functionality and providing your visitors a seamless scheduling experience. Let's dive right in. Starting off, you'll need to visit the official Square website. It's vital to power your entire business with Square's comprehensive tools, and for this integration, we're focusing on their scheduling feature. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see a Sign In button prominently displayed. Clicking on this will bring you closer to merging these powerful tools. Upon clicking Sign In, you're prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Square account to avoid any hiccups along the way. After entering your email, you're then asked for your password. Fill this in carefully and hit the sign in button to access your Square dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for Square's services and where the magic begins for integrating with Squarespace. From here, you will see an option for more tools. Go ahead and click that. This section unfolds a myriad of additional features that Square offers. Among these is appointments. Clicking on appointments will guide you to the next critical step. Now, within the appointment section, you'll find the online booking tab. Click on it and then proceed to click on channels. This area allows you to manage how and where your customers can book appointments with you, an essential feature for our integration. You'll see an option labeled Add your booking flow to an existing site. This is exactly what we're aiming for. Selecting this prepares our integration. You'll then click on Get Started. This process is guiding you step by step to ensure a smooth integration. So make sure you're following along closely. Next, you'll see Get Embed Code. This is a crucial part. The embed code is what you'll insert into your Squarespace site to display your booking flow. Click on the copy icon next to the embed code to copy it to your clipboard. After copying, click Done. You've now got the key component for integration. Switch gears now and log into your Squarespace account. Navigate to your site's dashboard. This interface is where you manage your Squarespace site's content and design. Look for the Edit button on your site's homepage, or the specific page you wish to add the booking flow to. This puts you in editing mode, which is necessary to add new elements to your site. While in the edit mode, search for Add Block. This function allows you to add different content types to your Squarespace page. In the search bar that appears, type in code. This action will bring up the code block, which you need to click on. Squarespace code block lets you add custom HTML or embed code, exactly what we have from Square. After selecting the code block, an edit icon will appear. Click on this edit icon to open the code input area. Now paste the embed code you copied earlier from Square into this area. This action embeds your Square appointments directly into your Squarespace site. Upon pasting, you've technically completed the integration. However, always make sure to review your page in preview mode to ensure the booking flow appears correctly and functions as intended. It's not just about integrating, it's about offering a seamless booking experience for your website visitors. Remember, the success of integrating Square appointments into your Squarespace website not only depends on following these steps accurately, but also on periodically checking back to ensure everything runs smoothly. Technology is always evolving, and keeping your integrations up to date is key to providing uninterrupted service to your clients. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Square appointments into your Squarespace site, creating a more dynamic, engaging, and user-friendly website. Now your visitors can easily book appointments with you right from your site, enhancing their overall experience and potentially increasing your bookings. For businesses looking to streamline their scheduling process and offer a smooth booking experience, this integration is a game changer. As always, I recommend testing the functionality yourself, ensuring everything works correctly and making any necessary adjustments for optimization. Whether you're a service-based business, a consultant, or anyone who relies on appointments, this integration will undoubtedly add value to your Squarespace site. That wraps up our guide. Thank you for walking through this process with me. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials that help you maximize your online presence and business operations.